No, that's not gonna work. Okay. Hi, I'm April. I'm Nicole.
And I'm Nicole.
And on this glory day.
And me.
I'm Joy.
I'm Joy. This is my
We
house,
opened
my
a
bag.
bag. We opened a bag of Snyder's Hand Hoover. I found this chip.
This massive.
Massive, one of a kind
pile of chips.
No, I don't know about
break it,
you.
it's fragile.
I don't know about you, but I don't think this is normal.
We didn't even glue it.
Yeah, no, just took it
It's
out
all
of the
natural.
bag. 100% real Schneider Hand Hoover. This is it, all right. That's the chip.
It's the chip.
Let's get a close up on this baby.
Sending it over.
It's like a rock. Ooh, it must weigh at least like an ounce. Break it. That's not normal. Chips don't do that. Okay.
It doesn't even sound like chip.
Yes. Chips don't sound like this.
Throw it down.
No. We can't risk breaking this. Now. No, hold on.